A.
Uptown Swing.
Level 1, Charleston. Week 1, you guys did so well. Peter Val. Here's how the basics sort of went. We're here. We started with my left foot, her right. And we did touch, step, touch, step. That's kind of underneath everything. So if you can remember this, if you ever lose it, this is underneath everything.
You can add a little bounce, that helps.
Then we did the rock steps and the kicks. Rock, step, kick, step, double, kick, step. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. We're going to put that together just like this. I'm the leader, she's the follower. Here's your basic. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. You can see it right here. Hey, ha, hey, ha. Then we worked on traveling around a little bit. We just did all kick steps. Rock step, kick step, kick step, kick step, kick step. Just moving. Then you got to use the next leg just like walking. Then we did a bunch of bams. Rock step, bam. Rock step, bam. Rock step, bam. Rock step, bam. Then we put those together to make a skip up. Rock step, kick step, bam, rock step. Now we're back to the basics. Rock step, kick step, bam. Now we're back to the basic. Then we did this little sequence, which we'll work on more next week. Basic number 1, ha, ha. Basic number 2, ha, ha. Skip up, hey, ha, ha. Then we roll back, rock step, bam. You can repeat it. That's it, everybody.